Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to get access to ChatGPT 4. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. GPT-4 may not be available for everyone, but you can actually access this to po.com, and all you have to do is go to your browser, type in pro.com, and then log in using your Google account or your Apple account, or you can simply just type in your phone number. And then once done, you'll be routed into this page where it's actually a platform where it caters multiple AI language models like ChatGPT 4, like Sage, Claudia, and a lot more. So this is where you will be able to access ChatGPT 4 for free. And all you have to do is go to the left side panel of the screen and just click on ChatGPT 4. It actually only has limited access, so sometimes you may not have enough token for you to be able to use or generate an item, but mostly, or you will only be able to message ChatGPT 4 in a limited time. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to get access to ChatGPT 4. And even though this is only limited, you can still use other language AI models like Sage and ChatGPT as well. And that's basically it. That's how you will get access to ChatGPT 4. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.